Good morning, everyone. Welcome to yet another session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. In this session, we'll take you through Nifty 50's chart placement, along with its probable opening, some key global news and events, how US markets fare through the night, how Asian markets are trading at the moment, and at the end, how the sectoral indices are placed at the moment. Without much ado, let's start with Nifty 50's chart analysis. Nifty started the week with the market status in rally attempt, but last Friday, the US markets had a big fall of around 2 to 3% across indices when the US inflation for uh, month of May exceeded the street expectations. Tracking this similar cues from global markets on Monday, Nifty had a negative opening and it gapped down as you can see for the Monday's candle. And on Monday, Nifty made a new low and breached its last time's low of 15,735. So according to William O'Neill's rules, we had to change the market status from rally attempt to downtrend. Yesterday as well, Nifty had a negative opening, tracking cues from the US markets. And Nifty made another low and was not able to hold Monday's low as well, and made a new low of 15,659 yesterday. If Nifty is able to hold its yesterday's low for three consecutive sessions, then we'll shift the market status from downtrend to rally attempt. If new lows are made, then markets will continue to remain in downtrend. If we go to a rally attempt and a follow through day is achieved, that is an up move of 1.5% or higher on volumes higher than the previous day, then markets will go into confirmed uptrend. But if we look at the market status or the how the market is placed at the moment, it's trading well below its key moving averages at more than 5 to 10% from its 50 and 200 DMA, which is structurally not a good sign. Talking about the key news, CCI approves Air India's acquisition of AirAsia India. Sriram City Union Board approves raising up to 300 crores via NCDs. LIC increased stake in two companies. First, Hero MotoCorp from 9.16% in January 2021 to 11.26% in this June 2022. The holding in Hero MotoCorp increased at an average cost of 3050 per 1.4 share. LIC also increased its holding in HUL from 4.995% to 5.008% at an average cost of 2206.93 per share. Tesla India policy executive quits after company puts India plans on hold. OPEC keeps 2022 oil demand growth forecast unchanged at 3.4 Mbpd, but cuts 2022 non-OPEC oil supply forecast by 2.5 lakh BPD to 2.1 Mbpd. Talking about the US and Asian markets, the US markets were trading kind of flattish with a negative bias. Dow Jones traded on a downward trajectory by 0.5%, S&P 500 by 0.4%. Nasdaq, after taking consecutive beatings on Friday and Monday, was slightly positive by 0.2%. Asian markets were trading mixed as Kospi was trading lower by 1%, Nikkei by 0.6%, Shanghai and Hang Seng were trading higher by 1% and 1.2%. Trading, talking about commodities, Brent crude oil is trading around $119 per barrel, easing from recent highs of $122 to $123 per barrel. Talking about the US 10-year bond yield, it's still surging higher to 3.423%. USD INR has appreciated from 78.12% to 77.98. Talking about SGX, SGX Nifty is indicating a muted opening with slightly negative bias. Talking about the sectoral coverage, Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex is still in the correction phase. Those the sectoral indices and the broad cap indices which had a follow through day as well, which went into rally, are back into under pressure. Why? Because even the D-Day count on these indices where a follow through day happened is really high. And see, if you can talk about the Nifty small cap 100, the D-Day count is 4, which is still getting elevated, and the indices is trading well below its 50 DMA and 200 DMA by 12% and 18.73%, which is structurally not a good sign. Talking about the only index which still remains to be above the 50 DMA and 200 DMA is the Nifty Auto. Uh, it is 1.28% and 1.42% above 50 DMA and 200 DMA. But even for that index, the market condition has come to under pressure. Talking about all the major indices, uh, your Realty Bank, your Nifty IT have been trading 18 to 20% below the 200 DMA. So when your major stock market and broader market indices as well as your sectoral indices are trading 10 to 20% below its 50 and 200 DMA, it continues to remain a weak sign for the markets. Thank you, and stay tuned to the space of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India for a daily dose of market updates. Thank you.